How do you optimize Python dictionary lookups in big data? Imagine trying to find a single book in a massive library. If the library is well organized, it takes just seconds. If not, it can take hours. The same idea applies to Python dictionaries when working with large datasets. Dictionaries are built to give you quick access to data through keys. They use a hash table internally, which makes lookups very fast, often in constant time. But when your data grows into millions or billions of entries, small inefficiencies can slow things down. To keep your dictionary lookup speedy in big data projects, start by using hashable keys. These are types like strings, numbers, or tuples that do not change. Avoid using mutable objects like lists or dictionaries as keys because they slow down hashing. Next, if you need to access the same key multiple times, store the value in a variable instead of looking it up again and again. For example, instead of calling mydic target key inside a loop repeatedly, assign it once to a variable and use that. This reduces the number of times Python has to compute the hash and find the key. When building dictionaries from large lists or other data sources, use dictionary comprehensions. They are not only concise but also faster than creating dictionaries with loops. For example, to create a dictionary of names and their lengths, write name length is equal to name, len name for name and names. It saves time and makes your code cleaner. Handling missing keys efficiently is important too. Use the get method with a default value to avoid errors and extra checks. For example, value is equal to mydict. Get key default value. If missing keys are common, consider using collections default dict. It automatically initializes missing entries, which speeds up counting or grouping tasks. When merging dictionaries, avoid creating new ones each time. Instead, use the update method to add data in place. This saves memory and reduces processing time. Also, when looping over dictionaries, iterate directly over items with 4 key, value and mydict items. This way, you access both key and value without extra lookups. If your task involves checking if an item exists, sets are a good choice. They are optimized for membership tests and can be faster than dictionaries for this purpose. For very large datasets, process data lazily with iterators or generators instead of loading everything into memory at once. This helps keep your program responsive and efficient. Pre-allocating dictionary size is an advanced technique. Although Python dictionaries grow dynamically, in some cases, precising them can reduce the number of resizing operations, saving time. However, this is less common in everyday programming. Understanding how dictionaries work internally helps you write better code. By applying these tips, you can make lookups faster and reduce memory use, which is especially important when handling big data. Remember, small tweaks in how you build and access dictionaries can lead to big improvements in performance. Keep practicing these techniques, and you'll find managing large datasets much easier and more efficient.